Starting your own credit repair business requires no special equipment. We have the right training for you. Many consultants choose to work from home, making credit repair a popular occupation for real estate agents, loan officers, bankruptcy attorneys, family counselors, executives looking for a better work environment, and others seeking flexibility in their work schedules. You can help thousands of people obtain jobs, get approved or lower interest rates on credit cards, mortgage, and car loans, and even lower their insurance premiums by improving their credit reports and raising their credit scores. People will gladly pay for an effective legal solution that improves their credit situation to save them thousands of dollars in their lifetime and gets them what they want. Please click the link in the description to speak to your personal credit repair business trainer today.